Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, welcome to tonight's video of Hey G-Maw, what's for supper? I'll tell you what's for supper tonight. I am turning some pork chops that came off a hog that we got. Yeah, okay, I'm turning those pork chops into baked pork chops. Everything is going to be done in the oven tonight. So where that way I'm only heating up one thing, and it's going to be so easy peasy. Tonight's meal is just going to be easy, and you've probably got a lot of these ingredients on hand, okay? So I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. These are the pork chops from the hog that we got. I've got ranch seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce on top. And I got them on the bottom too. I'm going to wrap these up. These are going to get baked, okay? Then right here, I have got a can of whole kernel corn, a half a little jar of pimentos, sour cream, a quarter block of cream cheese, ranch seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, salt and pepper. I'm going to stir this up. I'm going to bake it. When it gets done baking, I'm going to take crushed Ritz crackers and spread on top with a little bit of butter. Put it back in the oven. Let it crisp up the little Ritz crackers. And it's going to be like a little... I don't know. It's just a creation of mine. I don't know. So I'm going to put the Ritz crackers on top of this, and it's going to be like a little corn casserole kind of thing, bake, okay? Then I'm going to turn my mother-in-law's jar of green beans into green bean casserole. Okay, I'm going to put it all in a dish, and I'm going to add the cream of celery soup with a little bit of milk. I love cheese in mine. Then we're going to top it with a little French fried onions. Then I'm just going to open up a jar of sauerkraut, y'all. And yeah, that is tonight's supper. Easy peasy. Just grab you some pork chops, season them on both sides, wrap them up in some aluminum foil, bake them. Then y'all, I don't know what this is called. I just do this a lot. And this time I just so happened to have had a can of cream corn to show y'all, hey, grab a can of cream corn. You probably got some in your pantry already. Normally, I use our corn that we grow from the garden, and I'll get some out of the freezer, and I will cut all the kernels off. But y'all, we've been busy today, so tonight I needed something quick and easy just to throw everything in the oven. So I'm like, oh, I got a can of cream corn, okay? Whole kernel corn. So that's what I did, okay? And then I just mixed in everything. I'm going to let this bake for a little bit, get all bubbly. You know what? Since the corn is already in the can, it's not going to have a lot of baking time. I can go ahead, get this mixed up, crush up the Ritz crackers with a little bit of butter and put that on top, and I'll go ahead and bake that all at one time. That way I don't have to worry about keeping up with it and then taking it out of the oven, putting that on there, putting it back in there. I'm going to do this all at one time. So scratch that. I'm going to do all of it at one time, okay? Then I'm fixing to get these green beans mixed up. I'll get these prepared, get them in the casserole dishes. Then I'll show you what they look like, okay? Then we'll throw them babies in the oven, okay? Except for the sauerkraut. That can be put in the microwave, y'all. I'm just craving some sauerkraut, okay? So let me get these mixed up, get them prepped, show you what they look like, and then we'll get them in the oven, okay? And we'll go from there. Okay, y'all, I got everything mixed up. And y'all did hear me right. I said cream of celery soup in my green bean casserole. I don't like cream of mushroom. Okay, so I use cream of celery, okay? So I've got my pork chops wrapped up. I'm going to fix to put this in a bowl and put it in the microwave. I've got my little corn casserole mixed up. and my Ritz crackers on top with some melted butter. Here's the green bean casserole. I threw the jar of green beans in there with the cream of mushroom soup, a little splash of milk, cheddar cheese, mixed it all up. Then I put my French fried onions on top. And let's see what else. Oh, I did forget something else we're just going to finish up tonight. I forgot that the other night I made some fried squash with some onions and some cheese. We're going to finish that up tonight with this supper and get it out of the refrigerator. Y'all, supper does food. Good, nutritious meals do not have to break the budget, okay? If you have a garden, these are some ideas and some ways to use up your vegetables, okay? To where you're not eating the same thing all the time. If you go and you're buying your canned food, that's okay. Catch all your canned vegetables when they're on sale and stock up. Shop the sales, y'all. Go catch those videos. I'm not kidding. I teach you how to do your grocery shopping and shopping the sales to stock your pantries, okay? So that's ways to use up your canned vegetables, okay? And like I said, good nutritious meals do not have to break the budget, okay? You can still have good nutritious meals on a budget, all right? And so that is tonight's meal. I'm fixing to put all this in the oven. When it comes out of the oven, I'll let you see what it looks like. We'll plate it up, and that is tonight's supper. So we'll catch you in just a few minutes, okay? All right, y'all. Look at those pork chops. Sauerkraut, green bean casserole, corn casserole, and then the leftover fried squash from the other night. Y'all excuse my messy countertop. I'm fixing to plate me some up. Here we go, y'all. Tonight's meal. I've got to try that corn casserole. Just a second. I got to try that just a second. I've never put the Ritz crackers on top. That was just an added little extra add-in. I'm trying to get y'all out of the light right there. I got to try that. I haven't put this on here before. Let's do a little taste test. Y'all know we got to do a taste test. I know what my green bean casserole tastes like. I know what the sauerkraut tastes like. Let me try this. It's hot. Just gives it a little extra crunch. That's good. Oh, y'all, you can put crunched up Doritos on top of that. Oh, yes, that might be an idea for one night. There you go. That is tonight's supper. We are fixing to chow down because we hungry up in here, okay? And then kitchen cleanup is going to be easy. We're just going to put the leftovers in the fridge, have them for another night. So there you go, y'all. We've got pork chop a piece for tonight. Y'all, we got supper for tomorrow night, too. We got 2 nights off of this, okay? This is supper tonight. I hope to see y'all in the next video.